Okay, how to mix 50-to-1 gasoline for your more modern yet not 4-cycle boat engine. It's for those of you that have never seen a 2-cycle engine. Synthetic blend from Pennzoil. Get it at Walmart. It's pretty inexpensive. Works really good. Burns good. The first little tool that we get is a mixing can for 50-to-1 for 5 gallons of gas. Says 13 ounces. Follow the line from the 5 over there, like for 24-to-1 for your older outboards. For 5 gallons of gas up here is like 26 ounces of plus oils. So after carefully pouring oil into this handy container, we see for 50-to-1 for 5 gallons, so that's stable for our storage and the final run on the motor. And this says use 2.5 ounces for every 5 gallons. So we'll add the appropriate amount in with our oil at the gas station in just a minute. I like to use a container like this, plastic container, because it doesn't scratch the boat. And before we put the oil in there, we're going to add a little gas to it. So we added maybe a half a gallon to a gallon of gas. And then we're going to put in the oil. It's pre-measured for 6 gallons. And the stable is already in that little container as well, so we keep our glass tank pretty clean, but I've got a polycarbonate plastic tub that I keep all the oily things in the oil can. And alright, here we are at the gas station. Always take the tank out before you fill it. Make sure you don't spill any. Nothing special about filling this other than being careful and trying not to get any on the tank. Usually fill it about halfway and shake it up a little bit, then top it off. And that's all there is to it. Oh, there we go. Not a drop spilled. Oh man, now we gotta pay. Well, we're at the launch. Always remember to put the plug in. And plug up the fuel line.
Oh yeah, we have the oil.
If you notice here, it's got a little ball bearing that goes. Nice little click there. Also, we got a shiny new prop. Just had this redone. Took some nasty edges off our prop, and we checked the lower unit oil real quick. And now we're gonna prime up the boat, the bulb, and give it a shot. It's been setting for about a month. Okay, when we start cold, we pull this up. We push in the key on this model. It starts the fuel pump. After we prime the fuel line, and not too much on it. Take a quick check back there to see that it's pumping water. It knows how to